Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this pencil color / chalky effect to create these planets, and I'll be using basic Procreate brush for this tutorial. Start it off with your canvas, use whatever size you would like, but I am using screen size canvas for my demonstration. Once you have your canvas, go ahead and change your background color to black. This will be your outer space. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually start drawing planets. I recommend choosing one darker color and one lighter color. I'll also provide you all the color I use in this video on my website if you want to just follow along with what I'm doing. Now I'm using the basic Procreate 6B pencil for this tutorial. Grabbing the darkest color, I am just drawing a circle, and to draw that, you just want to hold your pencil so that you get a perfect circle. And then you want to go in and fill in the entire circle lightly with your brush, and then you want to go over it again lightly with the lighter color as well. The key to creating this effect is really just layering two colors until you are satisfied with the texture of it. And the possibilities are endless. You can combine pink and blue, pink and orange, two shades of green, blue and yellow, whatever your heart desire, and this is what I came up with. I actually decided to add a ring onto one of the planet. And just to add on, I am showing you how to make a little star here, and I am using Bardot brush Grassy shader from their Texturrific Pastel set. But here I am also showing you to achieve tiny stars by drawing dots, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!